Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at leads, question and answer leads basically. How to get your leads to start talking to each other. So let's dive in. Okay, so we have here a simple patch that I used previously. I just exaggerated this last note, you'll see why. Okay, so the way this is in F sharp, and the basic chords for F sharp are A sharp and C sharp. So let's just pop this on C sharp, and let's do this. Okay, so the main trick is to have this last note on the not on the root note, and I made it a bit longer just to exaggerate why. So here as the end, it leaves the lead open, so like it doesn't finish like bump, like yeah. So that last note is the important part. So it leaves it open as to the question. And we can duplicate this, and the way to bring it down for the answer is the last note comes back to the root note. We can change other notes as well, but for now we're just going to put everything on the root note. So we'll have the question and the answer. So the important part is the last note. On the question, it's not on the root note, and on the answer it's on the root note. So you can hear that, like the question, bumping up and up, so we're answering it. So that's one way, right? What we can do is we can add another serum. Just hold on. Just get a sound here quickly. Then we can actually put the answer on a different sound. So you have, well, let me just play the sounds. Yeah. So question, answer. So yeah, this is now your basic question and answer. And then what you can do is you can just fill in those gaps with different effects. Let's see if we can find some things. Let's just fill it up. Do I have any effects patches here we can use? What's this? Steal this ghost note. Okay, so let's duplicate this. So that's the full sequence. Yeah, you can throw more effects in. You can even put each note on a different sound. But so long the melody is stable, then it doesn't matter what sound you put on it. The basics just needs to be sorted. So last note open, last note back on the root note. Thanks for watching, guys.